Good morning. What's going on? This your boy. Hey, you know what time is it? It's fishing time. So I dug up a couple. I didn't dig up a lot of worms, but I'm gonna try this new spot out I was telling you about, and see when I get there. What's going on? So I'm at the spot I was telling you about, the new spot. So got some launching that boat in. Got a couple people launching the boat in, but other than that, this is my first time over here. This guy, he just left. He gave me a spot, small little spot, but I'm gonna throw him back in the water because I don't want no small fish. I want big fish. So, all right, I just cast out. Right now I'm using chicken breasts, and if I don't catch nothing on that, I'm gonna go switch over to worms. All right. So far I just had a couple nibbles. Something took my chicken breast, so I'm gonna go ahead and check my line. I might go ahead and switch over to worms. So, all right, stay tuned. All right, I see fish jumping near my line. Didn't see it, but it sounds big. So, hopefully he could get on my hook right there in front of my fishing line.
2 weeks later.
What's going on? Good morning. Good morning. You know what time is it? It's fishing time. So, me and my brother gonna meet back at the farm. I ran out of fish, so I cook all my catfish, and so I need to restack my freezer. So, good thing that, check this out. Good thing high tide, the peak tide, come in at 8 this morning. So right now it's 6. And we got a heat advisory. So I'm glad the high tide coming in early morning. We ain't trying to be out there all day. So we try to catch the fish and go home before the heat hit us. Supposed to hit us about 10 o'clock. So good thing the area we in is have a lot of shades, trees for shades. So see what we can catch. All right, see you guys when I get there. Yeah, we out here, me and my brother. I caught a baby one, but I threw him back. He got one. Could be a keeper. What you think? What you think, brother?
I'm gonna keep this.
This is a keeper.
It's sandwich, man.
There you go.
I don't like touching catfish though.
Man, you don't like touching no type of fish.
That's all right.
Like my hook size for a smaller hook. The hook I was using, I guess, for bigger fish. I don't see it gonna make a difference catching something. That's a fish sandwich right there. I'm trying to catch them, get too hot. Heat advisory supposed to start at 10 o'clock today. Oh, you did? All right. All right. Yeah, you keeping that one. That's another sandwich right there. Hey, look, I may go ahead and do my what's that skillet Tisha got me for my birthday?
For the cast iron?
Cast iron. My brother got another fish. The only thing I'm getting is nibbles. and baby fish. I'll be throwing back.
They wrapped around.
Yeah. So my brother today, and the other time I be catching all the fish. Now my brother, I guess it's his turn. It must not be active doing morning breakfast. I had ended up changing my hook back to a bigger hook, trying to catch some big cats. But I don't see anything jumping right now. Guess the water too warm, huh? I don't know. Why in the world I'm not catching anything? I know. I mean, he took my man. I used to come down. Me and my brother. We used to come down. I used to catch all the fish.
That picture? Come on, baby.
Yeah. I got the picture. Hold on.
That's my 4 sandwiches right there.
Man, he catching all the fish today. Well, I give him props. You know, I guess today is his turn. I mean, at least I could catch one decent size. Just give me one. You know, but it's all right. Yeah. Guess what? He got to clean it though.
Hey man. Food on the table.
Food on the table.
I be too hot to clean it.
Yeah, I do it in my kitchen sink.
Oh nah. I gotta be outside.
Yeah. So yeah, I do it in the kitchen sink and put it in the freezer bag.
Well, you did turn me on to the hook though. I turn you on to the bait. You got the hook.
These bait I was talking about. I call it chicken nuggets. Yeah, that's chicken breast, Jello, and garlic seasoning. Yeah. All right, back to fishing. All right, we heading to another spot, going to the beach. It's right at the peak of high tide. My brother did all the fishing. I mean, he caught the fish. I caught 2 baby fish, but I ended up throwing it back too small. So we're going to try another spot, and right across the street from the farm. See how that go. All right, I need at least 1 or 2. Just give me 1 and 2. I'll be happy. All right, I'll talk to you guys later. All right, I'm sitting here. I had a couple nibbles, but ain't nothing catching out here. He just threw his line out. Just watching the ship going by. Yep. So got a lot of crabs and fish thief taking our bait. So what we can do. Man, that fish splashed up in the water. There you go, right there.
Oh yeah, I see her.
Oh, him. My brother got a nice size fish. I ain't catch nothing.
It's fighting.
Yeah, nice size cat.
Been real.
My brother could doing all the fishing today. Good Lord. Nice size. Hold on. Let me take a picture.
Let me get the thing up in the air, man. Get my face in that joke.
Yes, sir. I got it. Brother. And my line staying in the water.
Dinner in the night, bro.
Yep. Make sure you call me now. So, my brother just left. He caught his fish, his nice sized fish. And I'm out here by myself. So I'm not gonna stay here too long. Haven't getting a whole lot of nibbles, but nothing jumping on the hook. So I'm gonna stay here a little bit longer, then I'm gonna call it quits. All right, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and I see you again. All right, I may if I get a fish before I leave, I'll post it up. All right, take care.